A home should be a place from where your office, your kids' school and hospitals are not very far from. Today we will explore the locality Dwarka Sector 7, which comes under South West Delhi district, which offers many housing projects for prospective home buyers. Hello and welcome to this locality that project. I am Shilpi Dudeja. Today we will go inside the Dwarka Sector 7 and we will explore the housing reality projects here, and we will check the locality here, and definitely we will tell you about the location also. Located alongside Palam, it is one of the most popular sectors of Dwarka amongst home buyers. Dwarka Sector 7 is one of the populated sectors of Dwarka sub-city. Its connectivity makes this location the perfect place for buying and renting residential and commercial properties. Palam Village, Sector 6 Dwarka, Chandarvihar Block B are the nearby localities to Sector 7. Along this, Gurugram, Bahadurgarh are the nearby locations to the West Delhi. For accommodation seekers, variety of paying guests are also being found in this locality. Today we will see its infrastructure index, connectivity index, development index, and we will see if there are any challenges being faced by the residents of Dwarka Sector 7. There are many factors which act as a plus point when it comes to living in Dwarka Sector 7. Dwarka region is divided in two parts, one Dwarka and one Dwarka More. All the prominent sectors nearby are Sector 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11 and 12. Let's find out how this locality is performing in terms of infrastructure and connectivity parameter. Dwarka Sector 7 is a very clean and green locality. All the basic amenities can be found in this sector. Sound connectivity, great amenities and state-of-the-art infrastructure are reason enough for anyone to find and adopt here. Due to wide roads and good infrastructure, this sector is well planned. Dwarka is home to many primary and secondary schools which are nearby within the radius of 5 to 6 km. Area also has some prominent colleges which can be found located near the locality. There are multiple hospitals in this locality which are located close by. The locality does not have sector markets like most other sectors of Dwarka. However, there are numbers of shopping complexes, standalone shops, showrooms and cafes located along the Rampal Chowk Road in the locality. DLF Cyber City and Udyog Vihar in Gurugram are 16 km from Dwarka Sector 7, while Connaught Place is 40 minutes from here. Various office complexes on Golf Course Road, MG Road and NH8 are located within an hour from here. Dwarka Sector 7 is the closest to the Indira Gandhi International Airport, which is 9 km. Sector 7 is well connected with all the prime sectors of Dwarka. The nearest metro station to Sector 7 is Dwarka Sector 10 metro station, which is 5 km away. The upcoming Dwarka Expressway connecting Gurugram will be just 3 km from Dwarka Sector 7. This sector offers the best DTC bus service for home buyers. Cabs and autos are also a good source of connectivity. Palam Railway Station and Shahabad Mohammadpur Railway Station are the nearby railway station to Sector 7 Dwarka. Dwarka Sector 7 was developed by the Delhi Development Authority. It is a well-planned residential development, mostly consisting of low-rise apartment developments by the DDA and various multi-story cooperative group housing society projects. If you are interested in buying property in this sector, then available options are 3 BHK is the most common room configuration in this locality and accounts for approximately 72% of all the properties for sale. 74% of the properties in Dwarka Sector 7 are multi-story apartment. For more information on property prices, rental range and the type of properties available in Dwarka Sector 7, go to www.magicbricks.com. You can find the URL in the description box as well. In Sector 7, there are some issues that can be seen. In the rainy season, due to lack of preparations causing severe water logging in Dwarka Sector 7 is a major problem. Rampal Chowk drainage system needs a major improvement because in the rainy season, it gets completely choked. The heavy traffic chaos around Rampal Chowk, already a busy shopping area, leads to traffic jams in this area. Dwarka Sector 7 is a high-density sector and it is abutting the unorganized developments like Mahavir Enclave, which puts pressure on the common amenities like the parking space.
Sector 7 is one of the finest sectors in Dwarka. It has everything: banks, hospitals, schools, colleges. Throughout this sector, bus stops can be seen easily. If you are planning to buy a property in Dwarka, then definitely you should consider Sector 7. Thanks for watching This Locality That Project.
Please like and share this video and do subscribe to MBTV.